My name is Joseph. Here you can see I have my code ready, and here the data sources are ready. This folder is for holding trace file. At this time it is empty. So let's start quickly running the code. So when I executed the code, see some trace files are being printed here. Let the code finish and I will explain what the printouts are. So it is doing the grid search now for finding the optimal K value. It's gonna take some time because it's looping through the whole possible values of K. So, okay, grid search is done. Now it is doing the 5-fold cross validation while doing classification using K nearest neighbor. So now the program done. Let me go up and see. So now I'm running the test for E. coli data file. So this is some printout from the data, how the data looks like in the file. So this is again the number of classes and the type of classes in the file. So in this part, I'm just printing out to show that how the nearest neighbor function is working. For example, at this point, the K is set for 3. This is just for testing. So for this sample data, if I query at this query point, if I try to find the 3 nearest neighbor, so it resulted this one. This one is the class of the 3 nearest neighbor for this query point. So this also to test the classification, nearest neighbor classification function. So now again for this training sample and this testing sample based on again K is equal to 3. So this is the prediction, as you can see, for each test data. There are 3 nearest neighbors obtained, and by chance at this point we are getting all the same class values. So the function easily picks the prediction as CP because all of them are CP. So this is just for testing, and this is also to test the condensed K nearest neighbor. So in this function I passed a training set of original shape 72 by 8, but after running condensing algorithm I get the optimal subset, which is of this dimension. So you can see the size is reduced. So this part is for testing the grid search. So now for this, only for demonstrating, I set the value of K to 5, but in the actual code K is as big as 15. So now I am searching all values from 1 up to 15, actually all odd values, and the algorithm will run the K nearest neighbor based on each values and return the one with the best performance. So at this point, for example, it returned 3. So this is grid search. So this is the final function, and so this function does the classification based on the best K. So once we identified the values of K using grid search, so this function will go through all the trainings and give us the result of the accuracy of classification. So at this point, for example, the accuracy achieved is 0.8864. So this one is an array holding the accuracy for each partition. We have 5 partitions in the 5-fold cross validation. So this is the total average across all validation. So okay, and you see here the result folder. Now we are having 2 files, one for prediction, one based on condensed, and one based on without condensed algorithm. So if I quickly open this one, you'll see here. So this is the prediction, and this is the best K, and this is the prediction sample prediction. So this is not like based on the total data, it's just the prediction based on one of the partition. So you'll see this is a very good result. Thank you so much.